Tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? It's Age back with a brand new video. It's fucking hot today because it's lit! I literally just ran upstairs from my front door because I heard a knock at the door. Lo and behold, it was the FedEx man dropping off a couple goodies today. We have one package and one box, and I know exactly what they are. For those of you who aren't subscribed, feel free to subscribe right now. For those of you who are already subscribed, you probably know that I don't get too much luck on the sneakers app. However, this weekend, May 11th at 4 o'clock in the morning or 4:30-ish, the sneakers app came through. Bang, with a big one. But if you couldn't already tell by the title, I will be opening one of the most coveted sneakers of this year, and is probably leading the race in sneaker of the year so far. It is only halfway through the year. However, most people are already saying that this is the sneaker of the year. It is the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1s. I'll go ahead and open up the package first, just because I know what it is, and then we can go ahead and open the Travis Scott Cactus Jack 1s. All right, here we go. Dang, there we have it. A dead stock sealed Travis Scott t-shirt. Let me go ahead and open it just so you can get a better look as to what this is. So yeah, a little bit after the Travis Scott ones dropped, like 2 hours after, give or take. So 6 a.m. our time, because the Travis Scotts dropped at 4 a.m. our time. They also released the apparel line. I was trying to go for the fleece shorts, which were really nice, and I've been wearing shorts a lot more often. However, there was issues similar to the Travis Scott ones where you kept trying to press the size, try to check out, and then there would just be some type of error. Luckily, I just switched over and got a shirt, which is the second thing that I wanted to get, and I managed to get this one. So over here we have the little Jumpman tag. Retail on this bad boy was $50. It looks like it's just a screen printed shirt, kind of like those old school Jordan shirts that they used to make with all the crazy kinds of colors, and then like a big Jordan silhouette. But instead of Michael Jordan being there, we have Travis Scott out there in red. We've got the little Cactus Jack logo on top of the Jumpman. And going down the side, it has a bunch of 23s, 23, 23, 23 in yellow, and then a big Michael Jordan silhouette right there in yellow as well. These are kind of the, I want to say it's like similar to the Do the Right Thing colors, and like, you know, reggae kind colors. Rastafarian colors with the red, the yellow, and the green. I just thought this was a super nice tee. It kind of looks like one of those vintage sports tees as well. So yeah, there we go. All right, now for the important part, we'll go ahead and open up this box. And there we have it, with the brown Nike Air Jordan 1 box. Right there, it says Air Jordan 1 High TSSP, the TS standing for Travis Scott. Now, I'm not sure if you can tell in the camera, but I'll go ahead and compare it with a regular Air Jordan 1 box. So this is the regular one, and then this is the Travis Scott one. Of course, this one is black and this one is brown to match the mocha color of the sneaker. So yeah, suggested retail price is $175, where a typical one, or a typical Air Jordan 1 High, is $160. So yeah, let's go ahead and open these. I'm actually extremely excited for these. I have not seen any pairs in hand yet, or in person, so this is actually my first time. Okay, so there we have the pink wrapping paper. There's the Cactus Jack logo, or the Cactus Jack face, Cactus Jack logo, and the Nike Air logo, as well as the Air Jordan wings on this pink paper. As we open it, Dang, there is the very first one with 4 sets of extra laces. We'll go ahead and start off with the extra laces. We have red, mocha brown, pink, which I may have to switch it up for, and cream. Looks like white or cream white, yeah. Jesus Christ, man. These are wild. Oh man, this looks like a factory flaw already. I've got like this harsh ass crease right here, right in front of the mid panel, right here. But you know what? Doesn't fucking matter because I'm going to wear these. Jesus, dude, these are fucking beautiful. I took about like 5 minutes just looking at the shoe because it's so fucking gorgeous, man. This is by far, for me, right now in May, today is May 14th. Yeah, May 14th, this is definitely my sneaker of the year thus far. I don't really see any sneaker comparing to this. This is just a fucking ridiculously nice take on a classic. Let's go ahead and break it down. We have the eggshell white tumbled leather toe box, as well as a tumbled leather mid panel here. This is actually extremely nice quality for tumbled leather, especially for Jordan. However, what could you expect from this type of release? Over here we have another strip of tumbled leather for the swoosh, and the swoosh is reversed. Now this is another huge selling point for me. I know a lot of people didn't like it and they said, you know, there's too much room in that mid panel. They're not used to it, as it normally would have the swoosh right here in the middle. To me, it's such a different take on a Air Jordan 1 that you've probably never seen before, that it makes it unique and it makes it stand out. It'll break necks, definitely. Both for people who do know what these are and don't, you know. As we flip it around, we have the other mid panel with the tumbled leather and the regular swoosh. Wrapped around the shoe is this extremely high quality, luxurious suede nubuck. As you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but like as I rub my fingers across it, you can see the change of color in the suede. So this is like super duper nice quality. As we come to the back, we have that stamp, Cactus Jack guy, stamped right there in the back. Now to me, I feel like this stamp is gonna be even more iconic than the Fragment 1 stamp, the little stamp that they have right here on the Fragment, but that's just my opinion. As we turn it around more, we have the Air Jordan wings in that glossy black. And then we'll come over to the front. We have a nylon tongue. We've got the Nike Air in red stitched in. And then on the side, we have the Cactus Jack logo stitched in right here. Now as we flip it around back to the regular swoosh side, I'm not sure if you could see it in this lighting. This is like not detectable by camera. Right here, it's supposed to say Cactus Jack, and it's like kind of like in 3M. It goes down here and then across over here on top. Yeah, it's not gonna fucking pick it up on my camera, but I'll try to put a picture or a video or something here. But more, and then we go into the shoe. On the insole, it has the Cactus Jack little cross logo. You can fucking see it right there. And then last but not least, it has the little stash pocket hidden behind the collar. Over here, you know, you can stash your goods, your, you know, loose change, your, you know, your emergency money. Shout outs to B-Rad from Malibu.
My emergency stash.
Yo, I'm glad you got cash, because if you would try to jack me, fool, I was gonna have to lay you out with this.
So right there. And then yeah, so the collar is actually made out of this like Velcro kind of nylon, similar material used on the tongue, but this one feels a little bit more reinforced, especially with that Velcro. So it goes actually all the way around. And there's not much more to say about the sneaker. These are fucking ridiculously so nice, and you You know what, fuck it, I'm gonna unds them and do a little on foot video, if you don't mind, that I'll post right here.
Doing pop one. You know the model, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes, risk it every day. I know fucking ugly niggas just not fun. Had to zero out the fade cause I'm not one. So smoke something, drink something, pop one. 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 Yeah. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 On the front seats, all getting ran through. Yeah, that ball with it. Yeah, I'm in a camp call with it. Yeah, I made phone calls with it. Yeah, I made bank calls with it. Yeah, and H-Town lately, where you find me? Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back. If you can't already tell, the light is going down, or the sun is going down, and I have to use my little ring light. But yeah, there was some on-foot shots in some jeans and some shorts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have no doubt in my mind that these will definitely be, if not top 3, top 1 sneaker of the year for 2019. It is just a ridiculously amazing shoe, and I mean, it's another one to add to the Jordan 1 collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Hit that like button. It does help me get my video out there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.